Please like this video and subscribe. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Hi road trippers, this is Travel Towner, and today we are taking a walking tour in Cassopolis, Michigan. Now we're going to start down near the lake, near the abandoned Sinclair Station, and travel north on Broadway, all the way up to State Street, where we will make a U-turn and come back down the other side. Don't forget to subscribe. It's a free way to help keep these videos coming. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.